Hello everyone, welcome to this Discord tutorial. This video will help you make a Discord account and understand this application so that you can interact with our members on the Discord server of the Biology Society. First, I will be teaching you how to make a Discord account. It's a very simple process and you should be done in less than a minute. First, you need to go to discord.com. Once you are there, click on login. Since you need to make a Discord account, click on register. Here, you can choose to verify yourself using your email. Next, enter the Discord username that you like. After that, the password that you want to set and your birth date. Once you are done, click continue. Please click on I am human. Now your Discord account has been created. Please wait a few seconds for the application to load. Here you can click on join a server. If you are not able to see the same pop-up box, you can click on the plus button on the left hand side and that will open up the pop-up box. You can paste the Discord invite link of the Biology Society's Discord server here. You can get this invite link from our membership form, WhatsApp group, Google group, or you can even ask one of the core team members. Now you have joined our Discord server. Please go through the server rules. It will instruct you on what needs to be done next. Scroll up in the rules and roles channel. You will find our server rules here. As it says here, you are required to use the change nickname option and write your real name that you have registered with us. Our Discord managers will verify your account with the member registry and assign you the members role, which gives you access to all the channels in our server. If you have any issues, you can talk to the Discord manager in the waiting room channel. To use the change nickname option and add your real name, first click on this arrow next to the server name. Then click on change nickname and add your real name and save. Once you are done, please wait for a while for the Discord managers to assign the members role to you. Once you get the members role, you will be able to see all these different topic specific channels. The channels with the hashtags represent the text channels, where you can text and communicate with all of our members, and the channels with the speaker symbol represents the voice channel, where you can enter and talk with any member who has also joined that voice channel. You can even switch on your camera or share your screen in these voice channels.
Wait. Don't go just yet. If you're new, use the membership form in our description to join the Biology Society. This way you will get access to the Google group, the WhatsApp groups, and the Discord server. If you are a member who is new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, then hit the bell icon to get notified for all new videos we post. Thank you so much for joining us.